Hi there! Today we're going to make cereal box beads. You will need to gather some cereal and Kleenex boxes, or pretty paper, or even magazine paper works great. You'll need some glue and a paintbrush. I'm using Mod Podge today, some string, a pencil, and scissors. Let's get started. First, we want to cut triangles out of our paper or our box board. I've already cut up the pretty paper and the magazine paper, so I'll show you how to cut triangles out of the box board. These triangles don't have to be perfect. The only thing that changes with the shape of your triangle is what your bead looks like at the end. So any kind of triangles will still make a beautiful bead. Some people like to measure, but I like to just kind of cut it. Getting different colors of cereal boxes and Kleenex boxes makes for a variety of colored beads. You can change the shape of your bead by cutting it in different ways. And to make our bead, we need our pencil, and we want to pick the colorful part of the paper or box board to be on the outside so that that's the color of our bead. We're going to roll it really tight as we can around this pencil. The box board is definitely harder to roll than the paper is. So I'm going to get my glue. I've rolled it a little bit. I'm going to put some glue on. Not too much, otherwise it'll squeeze out when I push. And I keep rolling as tight as I can. Put a little bit more glue on again. And then a bit more glue for the end. You want to push down and hold it for a little bit, help that glue dry. Now this piece was being a little bit tricky, so I put some Mod Podge on the end of it on the top and pushed it down to help seal it. Sometimes you get messy when you do crafts. I pull it off the pencil, and there we have a bead. Depending on the size of the triangles that you cut, your beads might be a little bit bigger than you would like. But that's no problem, you can trim them however you like. I always like to trim off these little edges and then cut them to the size. If you're going to make a bracelet, you want to get some string and start collecting the beads that you want to make your bracelet with. I've picked these pink beads and of course book pages beads because those are my favorite. String those on whatever pattern you would like. Check to see if it fits, and then tie your slip knots. There are so many different colors and shapes of beads you can make. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you for the next craft.